In this video, I'll guide you through importing bank transactions into QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so you can gather all your banking activity in one place and maintain accurate records with less manual entry. Start by opening the Transactions section from the left panel, where all banking tools are located. Then choose whether you want to link your bank directly or upload a file manually depending on your preference. Connecting an account allows QuickBooks to automatically pull recent transactions through a secure read-only connection, while manual import requires downloading a CSV or Excel file from your bank with clear columns like date, description, and amount. When uploading a file, carefully map each column to the correct QuickBooks field and double-check date formats, positive and negative values, and the selected bank account to avoid duplicates or mismatches in reports. A quick review before confirming usually prevents cleanup work later and keeps reconciliation smoother. Subscribe for easy tech tutorials and honest software walkthroughs every week.